Meet your new best friend, the Kami Library, a free library of teaching templates and activities to download, edit, and share. From the homepage, you can browse on what's featured, trending, and newly released. Know what you need? Use the search bar or filter by subject, type, and grade. There's also an option to browse all. Collections is where you can find all your saved favourites. Just click the bookmark button to save. You can even create new collections and give it custom names. Selecting a template will pop up a preview. Here's where you can get a better view. Just zoom in and out for the finer details. When you've found the right template for your class, you can open it in Kami, download for free, or edit with Split and Merge. Want to mix and match templates? Easily add it in the drawer and open it in Split and Merge. There's lots more to discover in the Kami Library.